Hi guys, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to Love That Bite. Today I'm gonna show you how to make creamy mozzarella chicken. So we are gonna season 600 gram chicken breast on both sides with salt and pepper. Heat 3 tablespoons vegetable oil in a large pan. Add the chicken in. Let them cook for 3 to 5 minutes on both sides or until they turn nicely golden brown. Remove the chicken from the pan into a baking dish and set aside. Meanwhile, you can preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. And then you can cut 250 grams cherry tomatoes into half and add over the chicken. For the sauce, we will need some fresh basil and give them a rough chop. In a small pot, add 200 ml heavy cream, 125 grams mozzarella, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and the chopped basil. Heat the pot on medium heat and allow the cheese and butter to melt. Season with some salt and pepper if desired. Pour the sauce mixture over the chicken, and for the final, top our chicken with 125 grams mozzarella. And then bake them in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And when it's there, we are ready to serve. Enjoy! Go to LoveThatBite.com to get the full description. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!